The relationship between cats and humans might be much older than we know. 9,500 years ago, a human, a cat, and several offerings were buried in Cyprus. Scientists have now found the remains of this burial, which is thought to be the oldest evidence of a special friendship between humans and cats. Most people think that the ancient Egyptians were the first people to tame cats and breed them to make a new species. This happened between 4,000 and 3,900 years ago. Although experts assumed people tamed wild cats earlier, they had little evidence. It seems that cats probably came more and more frequently into villages where grain stalks attracted numerous mice. I think that human beings rapidly understood that they could use cats for reducing the number of mice, said study author Jean-Denis Vine. The discovery of a cat jawbone in Cyprus in the 1980s provided the first indication that these exotic animals had been domesticated by humans. Around this period, however, foxes and other wild animals were also brought to several islands. The jawbone was proof that people had transported cats from the mainland, but Vine insisted that this did not necessarily imply that they had domesticated them. The grave was found by Vine and his colleagues in Shilro-Cambos, a big Neolithic village that was inhabited between 8,300 and 7,000 BC and has been excavated by Jean Guillain of the Collège de France. Researchers found a grave of a person with a variety of polished stones, tools, jewelry, and other items that they think were gifts. Nearby, there was a small hole with 24 whole seashells in it. The pelvis of the bones was broken, making sex identification challenging. However, the contributions were comparatively lavish for the time and place, suggesting that the person had some level of social standing. The fact that this burial is linked to both the seashells and the cat grave makes it seem like a special burial that shows a strong connection between cats and people. Possibly domesticated cats served unique functions or notable residents in the community. There were no signs of butchering on the cat's bones, which is another sign that the animal may have been a pet of the person buried nearby or had some other connection to the people of Shilro-Cambos. The animal's death is still a mystery, though, and more research will be needed to figure out how cats and people were connected during this time.